me see what it is.
If I'd be guessing, I'd say it's the heat that's causing them to start leaking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that much heat? Damn.
Yeah, because if you look at these,
yeah,
you can see where it wasn't seated.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work like I got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in it. I'm more rapid than the taste.
right there, yeah.
You can see like there's little pits in the seat right here.
Yep.
That sucks. Yeah, I can see that. Hey, look at that, folks.
Good thing I bought a bunch of those little
Right?
grinding wheels.
Hell yeah.
I'll clean them bitches up.
Oh, I've got valve grinding compound.
Well, that too.
That's all you need.
All the same, we can eat up what's down in there and all that
Yeah.
shit too. Get it all cleaned up.
Chill
cleaned
it
back
real
out.
It's got like little like pits in the seat.
That's what you can't. It has carbon buildup right there. See, inside there.
Very little bit, yeah.
That's quite a bit, man. Actually, I mean,
The
it's,
exhaust side's gonna be the worst side.
damn. The intake side, yeah, it's pretty bad too. Actually,
That ain't bad, dude.
I mean, compared. I mean,
That's not bad, trust me.
we were running mostly 93 to this thing. Always,
For running for the last 2 years.
I've always run 93 through it, and we I think boosters real easy. So maybe it helped out somewhat.
What's this little spot in the valve stem right here? What's that?
Oh shit! I didn't even realize that. It's been rubbing.
Rubbing what?
Mm-hmm.
What's it been rubbing? There's nothing in it to rub.
Maybe inside the damn thing there.
It's rubbing here too.
What's it rubbing?
Is it those? I guess the valve guides.
Yep, it's the valve guides. It's gotta be.
The guides go from here down. The guides don't
There's something
past
like-
that right there.
What the hell?
Oh, you know what? Based off where these were sitting at, did you have the valves in when you were porting?
I never poured his head.
That's not.
Yeah, you
porting?
did. You poured his head. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, that's porting.
You poured it his head, Ryan.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. You poured it his head. You put a pepper port on it. You lightly poured it. You did pour it. He made this. He took a socket. It's the one we was talking about here recently. It's pretty neat. Oh, you seen your video yet? Maybe.
Yeah, I seen it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I hope you like it or not. I was like, I was kind of like you're one of us now. You're gonna become a Buzz Looking Duke, Pepper Jasper J. You got OG handyman here, you know. So.
I told Brandon the other day. I don't want to be around both of y'all very much.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to start doing the B1 and B2 here.
Right.
Jesus.
B1 and B2.
It came off it. Retainer.
What?
These are that one was tight, dude.
Oh damn.
Look how tight that one valve is.
Shit
One
far.
thing you should have bought was some seats or some seals.
Oh shit! I don't know. I have any.
I mean, they wouldn't be leaking.
I mean, I have some for 2 valves, but I don't think they work or not.
You know, they wouldn't be leaking.
They might work.
They would work. The 2 valve ones are the same size valve. Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess that. I remember.
Makes you think about it because that spark plug being up so high.
Yep.
Probably why it wasn't.
Yep, that makes sense.
Burning the fuel the way it's supposed to, and that's why at the top end you were cutting out.
Right, that makes
Not
sense.
only that, with the valve seats being leaked or being off like that.
It wouldn't get near as much compression. I mean, like 75 pounds was the max.
Yeah.
It would build up 75 pounds.
I told him that when you put it on a compression tester, to see if it leaked.
Yep.
If it leaked.
Well, the compression tester was leaking off.
Yep.
Yeah.
But there's like a bicycle shredder valve on it. It needs to be changed because
Yeah, dude, that one. We can clean these up and still reuse them.
Just keep them for spares.
Yeah, they're still. Hey, you gonna do it the same way I told you to?
what's that? Oh,
Yep.
Happy compound. No, dude, these are your exact same size.
They're a little bit smaller.
What are you talking about?
They're-
This one?
look the levels on.
Yeah, but that's what I read off that one.
No, this is 24.
24 by 83.8.
This is 80. This is 84.
That's exhaust.
I know, but this versus 84 on it though. That's what I'm saying.
That's 22.
This is a replacement type right here to the
Look at the different
originals.
angles on the valve seal right there.
It's a lot bigger difference. This is still a lot better than.
Well, I mean, I'm going to laugh them in.
They got a lot more space to seal at, I guess.
Yeah.
They have a whole lot bigger area to seal at. A lot bigger.
Yeah.
They probably fit, I bet they do fit a lot better. That's probably where the replacement one's in. You know, this is probably one of the original heads, you know it? They made.
One of the very first ones, you mean?
Yeah. They said the first ones were the better ones, I thought.
Ooh, it's pretty in there anyway, don't they?
Right?
It's got a little bit of stick to it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It'll free up whenever I start using that drill on that valve seat. They're flush in there.
Oh shit.
Bring out the lights.
You right?
Well, we ain't got no valve springs or nothing on there yet. Drill on it.
All right. You got some
I'm taking the valve.
valve compound? What is it called?
Yeah, I put that valve grinding compound on.
Valve grinding compound.
Grab
Okay.
the
And that's what
valve
seats the valves in.
Stick the valve in there. Put it up on the drill and tighten it down. And now
This is its shape. So I guess it does both the valve and the dang.
it's grinding the seat right now.
He used to call it 2-pack.
Well, yeah, the girl Thompson's whack, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Am I supposed to be shooting
They
everybody?
originally called for this by hand, by the way.
Supposed to.
Yeah, supposed to. Yeah.
This is my way. Works a lot faster.
So this is Pepper DSPJ way.
Yeah.
We're still talking.
Round tech design fabrication way.
Yep, we're still talking.
Hey, you're fine.
I don't know what's not for it, brother. Shit. Follow the crew, but we're talking. You better quit your job, though. Tired of it. You want to do something new?
So was there a difference in the white and black lids on there?
One's a coarse, one's a fine.
Okay, got you. Okay.
Start out with the
One's
coarse.
white, one's
Start
black.
out with
You ain't kidding, man.
compare that valve seat to the rest of them now. And that was just one time I'm going over it.
It hit pause when we record. It hit pause on music because they'll hit us on it. They'll hit us on music when we're recording. They'll hit us on our channel. Yeah. They won't let us. They won't let. Yeah. You can't have music in the background. That's why I had it set to where I had film. Yeah.
Oh, well.
Thank you. All right. So he's putting it.
This is fine grit here.
This is fine grit. He's putting on the valve here,
I
and
put the coarse on there to begin with. Now I'm putting the fine grit on there. That way it'll finish the.
Couldn't afford
My cousin,
Put a smoother edge on it.
so just
Make sure it seals better.
my cousin just paid out $12,500 in sewage.
You start out all of them with the coarse grit
My
first.
cousin
that way you get the heart, you know, the big stuff out, and then you go with fine.
The coarse cuts cuts it down quicker, and the fine smooths it out and makes it where it seals better.
Nice.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, they're only 2,000.
That, you know, the surface area, these are a lot bigger.
That's what
These valves right here. I noticed that.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.